How are you?
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm okay. I just want to know what is happening.
Sorry?
What is happening?
So, I have called you to check whether you received the settings and has that worked for you.
It did not work.
It didn't work.
It did not work.
Okay. Are you getting some error message at the moment?
I'm getting nothing at the moment.
Okay. What are you trying to access? Can you confirm that?
I want to access a little bit of internet.
What internet? Is it that you want to access Planet 3 or you want to access external websites?
I want to go to my email.
You want to go to your emails. And
Just
which
my
emails are
email.
those?
Sorry?
Which emails are those?
That was the msn.co.uk.
Okay. Now when you click on MSN, what happens?
Nothing
able to
actually
go-
happens.
Are
Nothing.
you able to... Sorry, go on.
You can carry on. You can go first. Ladies first. Ladies are first.
Thank you. Now, are you able to go on to Google?
Where?
Google website?
I've been on to Google, but there's no
Yeah.
Googling going on.
Sorry?
I can't Google.
You can't go to Google as well.
I can go to the Google, but I'm not Googling. I'm not getting
Do
where
you
I
have-
want to go from the Google. It's like a bus pass that doesn't work.
Sorry?
It is like a bus pass that does not work.
Do you have any other number that you can give me so that I can call you back?
I don't have a number.
You don't have another number.
I don't
We
have a
just need to-
number.
Okay. We need to perform some diagnostics on your handset to why isn't it working?
Oh, it is sounding like a film. Diagnostics murder. You can carry on.
So, if in case you don't have an alternate number, what I can suggest you to do is, since you want to go to MSN, okay, you can do one thing. Can you just check if you can click on web right now?
You can't, not on this phone.
Not on this phone at the moment when you are talking, right?
That is right.
Okay. So in that case, what you can do is, you can go to you need to give us a call from the 3 store so that your handset is free and we can perform some steps and we can help you out.
Okie dokie.
Okay?
Okay. I want to ask you some questions.
Certainly.
Is that okay with you?
Certainly, go on.
Thank you very, very, very much. You are like a top wanted, top kind person. You are very helpful. You help many people. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I think the world of you. You have helped me very much today. 3 people is phoning me. They are very good people.
Okay, we want our customer's issue to be resolved. We could have gone ahead and resolved the issue right now, but then you don't have an alternate number for us to give you a call.
I am so sorry from the bottom of my heart. I
Oh,
do
you don't
not
need to
have
be sorry,
another
Mr.
number.
Britton. It's okay, no problem at all. You can certainly
It
go
is
to our
from the bottom of my heart. I am so sorry.
It's okay, Mr. Britton, no problem at all. You to a 3 store, you can give us a call from the 3 store and we can help you out with it.
Well, where can I find the free stall? Is it in the market?
You can find a 3 store anywhere. Can you give me a postcode so that I can check if you have the nearest, I can give you the nearest postcode, nearest details.
You are stuttering. Do you have a stuttering problem?
Hello.
I can't understand. You are stuttering. I am
Okay.
sorry for you. Commiserations.
Give me your postcode so that I can give you the nearest 3 store in.
I will give you my postcode. It is E9
Mm-hmm.
6PG, like the T. Couple of T, PG. You got?
Yeah.
Very good.
It's Echo 9 6 Tango Golf. Is
It
that
is
right?
Echo 9, 6 Tango, like the cherry tango, orange tango, apple tango. 6, 9, chick, and what is that? Exactly what you said. You are proper right.
Yeah, it's Echo 9 number 6 and then Tango and G for Golf. Is that right?
That is nearly right. But you're missing out the P. P for personality. You have a very good personality.
It's P9.
It is not. It is PG. Like a tea. Couple of chai.
Okay, I'll confirm the postcode once again.
Thank you.
It's E for Echo number 9,
That is right.
6,
Yes.
T for Tango,
That
and
is
G
right.
for Golf.
That is right. You are right. It is P. P for personality.
Okay,
And G for Great Britain.
okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
We have a 3-store in Dalston.
You have in Doston.
That's right.
Okay.
That is in Kingsland Shopping Center.
Oh, very good.
So you can go to the 3-store and you can give us a call from there and we can do diagnostics and help you out.
Can I call for you? Ask for you, speaking for you?
Well, you can call us back and any of my colleagues would be able to take care of this issue for you. Not to
Okay,
worry
you
about
are very good. What is your name?
that. My name is Cinderella.
Cinderella?
That's right.
Oh, very good. That is same as the story.
Thank you.
Thank you for your help. Okay?
Okay then. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okie dokie. Bye-bye. Thank you. Oh, hello, brother. Is that you?
Yes, that's me.
Excellent. How's it going?
I'm good, sir. It's just that it was taking some time to fill up all the details. That's the reason it was too late before I can call you back. Now I'm just filling up all the details about your handset. and we will
Excellent,
get this
excellent.
done.
Yes.
Just a moment, please.
You are from where?
We're located in India, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. Where are you?
We're in Mumbai.
Oh, Mumbai. Very good, very good. You like in the famous place?
Have you been to Mumbai?
No, but I've heard a lot about it. It's got a
Okay.
lot of activity going.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Okay, I'm so sorry. It's just that the system is running a bit slow, so it's some time for me to pull up all the details and all the information how we are going to get this thing sorted out. So I apologize, but I need to place on hold for just a quick moment. Okay?
Okie dokie.
Apologize for this. Thank you.
Okie dokie.
Is the line?
Hello?
All right. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Now, I've just gone ahead and checked. The system is all right in your area. Now we need to check what exactly is happening on your phone. Now, as you told me, whenever you're trying to access directory, you're not able to access it, right?
I can't do it. It's like, there's like, I don't know, like a gut chanak. Something like a, I don't know, like a piece of box coming and it's flying, I don't know, flying like it's got like kushkibin, like a piece of box is flying around like a bird. I don't know.
Okay. And try going on to any other website. If it's not Planet 3, are you using Skype? Is Skype service working all right?
Skype is okay. It's very good.
Skype is working, okay.
I like it.
And all the other services are working, okay?
It is okay. Just I can't get the internet, no email, no none of this one because of the box.
Okay. And were you able to access this Planet 3 before, or is it the first time that you're trying to access it?
This is 5 days. 5 days. It's been 5 days since this happened. The Iraq was on there. I don't know what happened. It's coming every time I'm trying to go on the internet. There's a Iraq there. I don't know why. It's not happening. It's not letting me go.
Alright, I'll check that out for you. Now what I suggest you to do is to check what is the error you get, or do you get any kind of error message on your phone. Try going onto the internet right now.
I have to get up first. You can't do it like this.
On the mobile phone, not able to do it, okay? Just give me a moment. Alright, what I suggest you to do is I'll give you a call back in the next 2 minutes.
Okay,
I request you to just switch off your mobile phone, take out the battery,
Yes.
okay? Wait for at least 40 seconds.
Okay.
After 40 seconds, you need to place the battery back again, switch it on, and try to go on to Planet 3.
Okay.
And just make a note of any error message that you get on your phone.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
You do that, I'll give you a call back in 2 minutes, and then we can get this thing further, okay?
Thank you. You're very kind. You're very kind.
Thank you so much.
I hope
Appreciate that.
I hope that everything goes okay in your life. I hope that you find nice wife, you have nice kids, you have nice BMW, something nice, everything nice, nice house, nice swimming pool, everything, nice jacuzzi, nice, even aeroplane. I think so. You should have an aeroplane, you should have nice Rolls Royce, sunglasses. You should have it all. I want the best for you. I'm going to pray for you. What is your name?
Thank you so much. My name is Vishal.
Rashar. Rashar, I'm going to pray for you.
Thank you, sir.
That is fine. If you need me, you call me anytime.
So I'll give you a call back in 2 minutes. Meanwhile, just
You,
try to...
no problem. I am here for you, Rashar.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem. I will see you, but I'll chat to you in a little while, okay?
Right, I'll speak to you in 2
Is
minutes.
that okay?
Absolutely fine.
Thank you, Rashal.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Rashal.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ha, merhaba.
Kimdir?
Ha, Hasan Bey.
Kim?
Hasan Bey.
Hangi Hasan?
Hasan, saf gittik alırız ha.
What? Hello?
Ha.
Hello?
Ha.
Who's winding me up?
Ha. Neredesin?
Who is it?
Ha. Ne var ne yok?
Who is this?
Ha. Ha, ne var ne yok?
I'm putting the phone down.
Yapma ya.
Who is it?